Hello, Super Writers. Today is the day where you get to plan your opinion sentences for our writing job this week. Let's go ahead and get started. We know that opinion writing pieces are organized like an Oreo. You first state your opinion, then you give reasons and evidence to support your opinion. Why do you think or feel that way? Can you give me examples? And then you restate your opinion in your closing sentence again. Let's take a closer look. Here I have an opinion piece. A good friend. Every writing job starts with a title. I believe that one characteristic of a good friend is kindness. This is my topic sentence. It tells you my opinion or how I think or feel about the topic. Friends should be kind because it shows that they care about you. Once, my friend wrote me a kind letter when I was having a challenging day. It made me feel a lot better to know that I had a good friend. These are my detail sentences. They tell the reasons for why I have my opinion and give evidence to support those reasons. Kind friends are the best types of friends to have. This is the closing sentence. It provides a good ending and restates the opinion. Let's take a closer look at the evidence in this writing piece. The reason is why I have my opinion. Friends should be kind because it shows that they care about you. And the evidence is an example to support my reason. So here, I told you about a time that I had a kind friend. Show that they cared about me. This is an example or evidence to support my reasons. Today, boys and girls, for your writing job, you are going to look at the kite. Look at the characters in the kite. You can look at Toad, Frog, or the robins in the story. Are these characters helpful, smart, or unkind? You will choose one. For example, if I choose to write my opinion about the robins, can I say that the robins are helpful, that they are smart, or that they are unkind? My opinion is that the robins are unkind because they were not nice to Toad. My evidence can come from the text because here I see that the robins said, "What a joke." Is that a kind thing to say? No. So in your opinion writing, you are going to use text evidence to support your reasons and opinion. Your question is, choose a character from the kite. Is that character smart, helpful, or unkind? Write sentences that tell your opinion. What is your opinion? What is your first reason? Give some text evidence to support. What is your second reason? Give some text evidence to support. What happened in the story to tell you that? And then finally, plan your closing sentence to restate your opinion. Have fun, first graders. I'll see you next time.